She's like, Dad, how do I get in there? So I've got the hood down. I've got the uppers, like, I would say probably 80% sanded. I basically just have to get the rest by hand. And then down here, I was completely forgot about these. I was like, wow, I've got a whole another section to sand. Mostly done, just gotta get, you know, around here. But I put this, whatever the hell you want to call it up, to keep the dust out of the living room. Look at my glasses. Jesus. It's helped a lot because it is dusty in here. Everything is just coated. Man, what a project. Yeah, not a chance that it's going to be even close to done tomorrow, but I have a half day at work tomorrow, so I'm gonna come home and these will be primered tomorrow for sure. Like, I'm hoping by today, but I don't think I'm gonna have all the hand sanding done, so I'm not really sure yet, but we'll see. Oh my God. So I'm taking a break. I've been in there since I got home. I'm just covered in dust. It is Wednesday. Shelby and them they have one more night at the cabin, and then they were gonna spend the day there tomorrow still, and then leave like tomorrow night. So Thursday night, like Friday morning, you know, be home like Friday morning. She just texted me and said that they are coming home now, which, don't get me wrong, I'm so ungodly excited to see her. Like, I can't wait. But I'm like bummed because this, like, it doesn't even look like a kitchen right now. Like, none of the upgrades have even started yet. I'm still stripping it. Everything in the kitchen is currently in the living room in boxes. So I'm gonna go try to sand these by hand, and I guess I'm gonna roll on the first coat of primer. Hopefully roll on the first coat of primer. Alright you guys, I just finished painting. Not the cabinets, I did the walls first because I've got to tape either the walls or the cabinets when I paint either one. So I would rather the tape mess up the walls than the cabinets, if that makes sense. You know, like if some paint peels off or something like that, I would rather touch up the wall than the cabinet. So I opted to do the walls first, so that'll give them a good day or two to completely dry before I put tape on them. And you guys, I love this color. That wall's been messed up. It's like the drywall paper stuff peeling. It's behind the fridge anyways. It's been like that since we bought it. It's like nothing new. It's not like a leak or something like that. I literally only painted where the backsplash is not gonna be. So that's why like only the top of the window, you know, only to the edge of the countertop. But I did this wall right here, and then I did it all the way to the blue. It just looks so cool. It pops with the white and the blue. Like the blue, see, you can tell where we didn't paint or didn't tape when we painted. So now I definitely make it a thing to tape, but that gray just pops with the white and the blue. I love I don't know if you call it like contrast or whatever, but love the way it looks. Can't wait till we get the white the black countertops and the white cabinets. Oh, it's gonna look so good. So yeah, I actually used really cheap stuff too. Surprised, and it came out really nice. So plans for tomorrow. I'm actually surprised too. I didn't get any paint on the floor. Plans for tomorrow. Primer. Because I'm done sanding. Well, I lied. I've got to, just by hand, which will take me like literally less than 5 minutes, just kind of scuff. Actually just right there and there. And maybe there a little bit. And then the top of that and against the wall. That's it. And these will be primed. Probably going to do like 3 coats. And actually now I'm debating, because of the size of our kitchen, it's tiny. Our microwave goes right there. It takes up the whole entire corner. Now I'm debating, I'm like, you know, with this hood gone, that leaves a lot of room. Like, you know, the hood comes down to like here or whatever. I'm like, a microwave would only come down a little bit further, which would still leave, you know, a lot of clearance over the oven. And that would free up so much counter space. But they're like, the nice ones I like are like 200, well, they're like 400, but they're on sale right now for like 230, 240. I'm like, I really don't have the money. If the money wasn't an option, I would literally go buy one tomorrow. But I looked at a few, and it wouldn't quite be as low as the thing right there, which would give you plenty of room. Because I was like, man, if it's that low, it's gonna be crowded over the oven, but it's not, which is cool. I don't know. It would be so nice to have all, that's a lot, you know. This is all the counter space we have. So to have like a third of it taken by the microwave kind of sucks. So kind of tossing that idea around right now. Fortunately / unfortunately, Shelby's on her way home already. Like I said in the last clip, it's late in the night now, so they actually probably, I was gonna say soon. No, not soon. It's a long drive. Probably shortly before I get up for work, I would assume they'll be here, or they'll be back. But I'm not sure. Might be right after I leave, not really sure, so she's gonna walk into this mess. And that really sucks because messy houses just suck, you know, especially coming home after a trip. You want to just relax. And I told her, I was like, please understand, if you guys are coming home early, this kitchen, like, we don't have a kitchen. It's not that the kitchen's messy. We don't have a kitchen right now. We don't have a sink, you know, we don't have the microwave hooked up. Can't really use the stove. I was like, you know, please acknowledge and understand that. Please don't be mad at me. Not that she would be mad at me, you know what I'm saying? But I just don't want her to come home and be in a bad mood or anything like that. Not, again, I don't want to make her sound mean or something. She's not at all, but just
coming home to this might be a little bit of a shock. So, yeah. I'm gonna go take a shower now because I'm literally covered in sawdust. I'm gonna call it sawdust. It's from sanding, but it's, you know, like wood dust. And yeah, I am just, oops. I am so in love with how this color combo came out. That blue, the green is obviously the tape, but that blue and the gray, I wasn't even expecting like how cool it would look with the blue, but I'm in love with that now. And both bathrooms were that same like tannish peach. It was like a mixture of like tan and peach. And back here is that color. And now I'm really tempted to paint this. We were gonna do this a light gray, but now I'm like, I don't know, like it's a dark color. But man, it looks good against the blue. I don't know. It won't be right now anyway, so tell me what you guys think. Should we, maybe, I'm thinking like it would be cool, you know, because most houses, they like, I don't know if I would call it like a theme, but, you know, like similar styling, you know, between different rooms. So I think that would be cool, you know, do the bathrooms in that color, maybe do like a black countertop in the bathrooms. Even do like the subway tile backsplash in there. That would actually be cool too. I don't know, we'll see. All right guys, I'm going to bed. Okay. Picked up another sander. This one is a finishing sander, so it comes to a point. So I should be able to, yeah, cool. I'll be able to get right up in the corners and save a whole lot of hand sanding. Oh, here, these two. So not just for that, but the corners of this. I got a big brush for dust. Line this back up, and then you do this around the whole perimeter of the countertop once we do the backsplash. This is a cheap one, so we'll see how good it works. I mean, can't really envision it being good or bad. I mean, it has one job. Sandpaper for the sander. Found some Tack Cloths. They were like 60 cents at Harbor Freight, so I grabbed a few of them. Those you just wipe down and it gets any kind of like grease and whatever off right before you're about to paint. I got a mini tray for when I'm doing these. I got a big paintbrush for getting, you know, like the corners and stuff, edges. More tape. This so I can fill in the two crooked holes or whatever on these two cabinets for the handles. A roller for cabinets. I got these. Apparently these are like the best ones you can get for rolling. They're foam. I got 4-inch and 6-inch. I'll use the 4-inch for the fronts and then the 6 inches for like the big spots. Got a scraper and more knives. Can never have enough of those. Another one of these. Some more drop cloth. Wood filler. Lacquer thinner for the paint gun, and then a sanding sponge so I can get like all the weird spots. That's gonna suck. That's gonna be the worst part. Got a paint stirrer. This one should be alright though. I mean, it's dried paint, so we will. Okay. First, I'm gonna drill the right hole.